How to remove episodes from your YouTube TV library. Managing your YouTube TV library involves removing shows or series to prevent future recordings. However, it's important to note that YouTube TV's DVR feature doesn't support deleting individual episodes. Instead, you can remove an entire series from your library, which stops all current and future recordings of that show. Here's how to do it. Step number 1. Access your YouTube TV library. On mobile devices, open the YouTube TV app. Tap on the Library tab at the bottom of the screen. On a web browser, navigate to tv.youtube.com and sign in. Click on the Library tab at the top of the page. Step number 2, locate the show or series. Scroll through your library to find the show or series you want to remove. You can use the search function to quickly locate the specific title. Step number 3, remove the show or series. On mobile devices, tap on the show's title to open its details page. Tap the checkmark icon or Add it to Library button to remove it. Confirm the removal if prompted. On a web browser, click on the show's title to open its details page. Click the checkmark icon or Add it to Library button to remove it. Confirm the removal if prompted.